Drone Delivery Canada expands drone operations at Edmonton International Airport with multiple agreements. Drone Delivery Canada Corporation, TSXV, FLT, OTC QX, TAKOF, Frankfurt, A3DP5Y or ABBA.F, announces a significant expansion of its drone delivery services at Edmonton International Airport, YEG. The company, in collaboration with its sales agent Air Canada, has entered into multiple commercial agreements with key partners, marking the second phase of the project. Under the agreements, valued at $417,000, Drone Delivery Canada will extend its drone delivery routes from YEG to include a medical clinic in the city of Leduc, Alberta. The project involves collaboration with Edmonton International Airport, Apple Express Courier Ltd, BBE Expediting Ltd, and MFN Management Inc, a wholly owned corporation of Montana First Nation. The 12-month duration of the agreements will see Drone Delivery Canada deploying its award-winning and patented drone delivery solution, including the use of the Canary Remotely Piloted Aircraft, RPA. The expanded delivery route aims to serve the medical clinic owned by Montana First Nation, providing healthcare services to Indigenous and non-Indigenous Canadians. The operations, conducted in accordance with Canadian regulations and Transport Canada special approvals, will involve remotely piloted flights from DDC's Operations Control Centre in Vaughan, Ontario. The deployment of site infrastructure is expected to commence shortly, with drone delivery services slated to begin later in 2024. Steve Magirias, CEO of Drone Delivery Canada, expressed enthusiasm about the expansion, stating, "This next phase will enable us to further expand our delivery capabilities, showcase our Canary RPA, and explore new use cases for RPA delivery within the YEG area." Myron Keane, President and CEO of YEG, emphasized the commitment to sustainability, saying, "Part of our commitment to being net zero by 2040 is creating opportunities for sustainable transportation and aviation, and we are excited to continue supporting and enhancing the future of drone delivery in the Edmonton metro region." The YEG Drone Delivery Project, initiated in 2019, received an Excellence Award for Innovation in 2022. The first phase, operational since May 2022, saw over 2,400 flights covering a total distance of over 6,500 kilometers. The newly announced agreements mark an expansion of the project, adding a second leg to the operations originating from the central drone spot at YEG. In addition to serving the healthcare sector, the collaboration with Apple Express Courier Ltd, BBE Expediting Ltd, and MFN Management Inc aims to explore novel approaches to meet the growing demands of various industries, including healthcare and technology. The CEO of Apple Express Courier Ltd, Nasser Syed, highlighted the importance of cutting-edge last-mile delivery solutions, while Heather Stewart, president of BBE Expediting Ltd, expressed excitement about participating in the innovative drone delivery project. George Adai, general manager of MFN Management Inc, expressed enthusiasm, saying, "We hope to develop some services and opportunities from this project to support our corporate growth strategy." Edmonton International Airport, as a global leader in the aviation industry, continues to drive economic prosperity for the Edmonton metropolitan region and beyond. The airport's commitment to equity, diversity, and inclusion is reflected in its approach to creating an airport for everyone. For more information about the project and the companies involved, visit Drone Delivery Canada and Edmonton International Airport.